What's up, guys? I know I haven't posted in a minute, and the reason is because I've been ordering a lot of parts, and those parts have to come in. A lot of them were back ordered, and we're going from ABS plastic, fiberglass and stuff like that to new stuff like this. So the whole car is going to get pretty much a new transformation on it. Everything that is on there now is going to turn into either carbon fiber or to parts that actually are meant to go on an A5 B8.5. So I've showed you guys like cheap alternative mods and stuff like that, but now I want to show you the other side of things where things get a little bit more pricey, but things start fitting a lot better and looking a whole lot better as well. So I hope y'all will enjoy the next coming videos. I do have spoilers, diffusers, side skirts, front lips, also new wheels coming in. So stay tuned, I have a lot more videos coming in, but first let's go ahead and get into this installation of a new carbon fiber spoiler. So currently the one I have is from Amazon. I believe it was like $80 or around there. I'll go ahead and post the link for this one on Amazon down below. It's all right. As you can see, there is some kind of waves on it. That's the only thing I don't like. And also the fitment right in the edges and stuff like that isn't the best. It's not so flush. So whenever you put the double-sided tape, it doesn't line up perfectly. There's some gaps and stuff like that. So I want to show you the new piece I bought, which is this bad boy. So it's a full carbon fiber spoiler. It's hollow on the inside, as you can see. It's real carbon fiber, and it's just nice. And what I like about this one is that groove right here. So this is a V. Well, I think V style is what they call it. I'll go ahead and post down the link for this one below as well. This one I bought from eBay. This one was around, I want to say $125. So it's a little bit more pricey. There are more pricey ones, but seeing the quality of this one and how it is, I'm okay with spending $125. There's other ones from other sites that will sell you pretty much the same thing, and it'll be around $250 around there. So it's up to you if you want to go ahead and spend more money. I don't know what those personally look like, but this $125 one from eBay looks just fine to me. Yeah, so this is just pure black. I believe this is fiberglass and then carbon fiber. That's nice, man. That's the first piece I get in because a lot of the stuff was back ordered until like August and stuff like that. So that's stuff coming in, but stuff's coming in this week. So that's why I haven't been able to post. I don't want to give you guys just regular old how to change your oil type content. I want to give you guys good stuff that you guys can go ahead and do mods to your car. But this time it's going to be a little bit more different, a little bit more pricey. But I want to show you guys before you guys do it because that's how it's always been on this channel. Alright, so this installation is really easy. One of the easiest mods you can do to your car. If you don't have this yet, so if you have this, it's another step. But if you don't have anything, you just pretty much put the lip on. But let me go ahead and show you guys. Me removing this and then putting the new one on. I already went ahead and took it off once, so it's easy to take off. Don't think this is how I'm driving. This thing's not gonna fly off like that, so. Went ahead and cleaned it up already. If you do have one already, a spoiler, you might have to clean because whenever you wash and stuff like that, this part isn't getting clean, so it stays pretty new. And then where the part where there's like nothing on there, it gets scratched up, so you might want to polish or something like that, so it looks pretty even. But yep, this is my old spoiler, and as you can see, just plastic, and then those had tape, which wasn't sticking that well. So let's go ahead and I'm just gonna go ahead and mock the new one on so y'all can see what it looks like. All right, y'all, so I need to clean this obviously, but look how flush this thing sits, just like already. It's already so flush, and I haven't even like taken off the double-sided tape, and it sits so flush. Dang, it looks so clean. Yeah, that's gonna look real nice with everything carbon fiber. Also, I wanted to point out, I thought this was gonna come with some really trash double-sided tape, like the white foam one that this lip came with, but this one actually comes with, it looks kind of like 3M. It might not be 3M, but it's that gray one, and it's not foam. So this is the good double-sided tape. So I'm happy about that. I don't have to go out and buy extra double-sided tape, which is a whole lot better because it saves me time, and I don't have to put it on. So I guess you get what you pay for. All right, yeah, see, it's the good double-sided tape. It's sticky, and it's the gray one. It's not that foam tape. If you ever bought a cheap part and you got that foam tape, you know what I'm talking about. for this next step. I'm gonna try to record it, but I might not be able to, but I'm gonna go ahead and set it on there, but I need 2 hands for that. If I look sweaty, it's because I just washed the car. I was super filthy, so I had to clean it for the video. But boom, super easy to do. Just line it up. I use both my fingers on the ends so I could feel how much of a gap it is from the trunk. But this thing actually lines up pretty flush on each side. So I didn't really have to do that. And then just, dang, it sits so flush. I've never had a good part I've never had a part fit this good. So I'm kind of like taken back, I'm sorry. But dang man, I think it sits super good. Should have bought better parts from the beginning. And I want to show you guys like the cheap part, the cheap side of modding cars, and I'm gonna show you the expensive side because this is gonna cost me quite a bit. But I'd rather me do it than y'all and waste y'all's money. So I'm gonna tell you if it's worth it or not. Sheesh, that thing's clean. That's so nice. Yeah, it's like it doesn't even move. It moves the car. That's how parts should fit. Super flush. That's dope. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to get in the car in the sun and show you guys what it looks like. My battery's on right now, so I'll get to it later. Alright guys, and this is what it looks like outside. It's not so sunny. I'm sorry I couldn't show you in the full sun, but that's what it looks like. And the carbon fiber against the black pops out just enough where it looks really good. It's subtle. And that's what it looks like from the back with that V style on there. All I need is a diffuser on there, so the carbon diffuser and the spoiler, matches and it looks really good. I do have other things on here that are carbon fiber that the videos will be out soon, but a lot more things that are on the car that I have videos on as well. I'll be posting those soon. But yeah guys, that's the car for now. I have a lot more things that are on the car right now or coming in that I'll be making a whole lot more videos on. So if you guys want to take a look at that, please subscribe, like the video. It does help out quite a bit so I can keep doing these type of mods. And I'm sorry I've been gone away for a while, but I wanted to go ahead and give you guys good content. So until next time guys, peace.